So if you're trying to withdraw money from your Venmo to your bank account and you want to do it instantly, today let me show you the process. What you want to do is head over to the homepage of Venmo. Inside of your Venmo app, you'll need to head over to the Me section in order for you to transfer your balance. So by default, you'll be on the homepage. You'll need to head over to the Me section on the bottom right. Once you're inside of Me sections, there are going to be two options, the wallet and the transaction section. Make sure you're inside of the wallet section where you'll be able to view your available balance. Now, in order for you to transfer it, make sure you firstly link your bank account to your Venmo. If your bank account is already linked, you can tap on transfer. Once you tap on transfer, it's going to take you to the transfer balance section where you'll have two options, the instant and the 1 to 3 business days options. Now, if you're trying to withdraw your money instantly and you need that balance instantly, what you can do is tap on the instant option. You're going to get charged 1% for your entire total. So if your total balance that you're trying to transfer is $100, you're going to get charged $1. So if you want it instantly, make sure you tap on this option, select the amount that you want to transfer, and then just tap on the transfer option on the bottom. But if you don't want the money to be transferred instantly and you don't want to pay the additional 1%, you can always choose the 1 to 3 business days option. This way you do not get charged any amount on your Venmo. That's basically it. That's the way that you withdraw money from your Venmo instantly. Do give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit that notification so you get notified for more future videos.